As an IT delivery manager, you may struggle on a monthly basis to send out accurate invoices to your end customers. But what if there was a way to simplify your operations and exceed client expectations? Enter Exivity, your solution for transforming the way you manage your pay-as-you-go business model. Experience unparalleled granular usage visibility into your hybrid cloud infrastructure. Monitor resource usage at a detailed level, empowering informed decisions and optimize client solutions. Simplify billing processes and send precise invoices to your customers. Ensure accuracy and efficiency with comprehensive cost breakdowns and seamless billing automation. Enhance customer satisfaction by providing instant consumption reports. We help you foster transparency and build trust with our multi-tenancy features for cloud or managed services providers, ensuring granular access to Exivity for both your customers and internal departments. Exivity empowers you to automate the business logic behind your pay-as-you-go model, streamlining your operations. Manage list prices and customer-specific rates with support for dated rate revisions. Administrators can also manage costs of goods sold prices and specify minimum commit values for a variety of services, spanning across public and private cloud data sources. You can apply customer-specific discounts, uplifts, or one-time credits, tailoring your offerings to individual client needs. Worried about data privacy? Exivity is the only solution that can be deployed on-prem and is self-managed. Say goodbye to endless spreadsheets in your metering and billing processes. Exivity revolutionizes your operations, freeing you to focus on delivering exceptional services. From granular usage visibility to automated billing and heightened customer satisfaction, Exivity transforms your approach to cloud reselling. Unleash the potential of your consumption-based business model with Exivity at www.exivity.com. Embark on a journey of success today.